Hello everyone, for today's video, I'll be sharing to you one of the best website for you to search a job going to abroad. So go directly into your Google and search this workabroad.ph, and it is applicable only to Philippines. So anyway, you can search here via land-based or sea-based and okay, the jobs that you want to apply or which country that you want to go, or jobs by position as well. And you can search by agencies, and there are so many agencies, licensed agencies here. And you can search also jobs by country, so they will indicate how many job order that they are in need. And jobs by position, if you know what's position or what skilled are you in line for, so you can search by that agency to directory. So that is so simple. So example, we go through search by jobs and you want to go as a nurse, so you can key in nurse and they will give you some countries that are very in need of nurse. So that's all. Please follow me back for more tips.